Poland, around 70% of PV power is generated by small-scale home solar installations. Growing interest in such solutions has driven demand for a more efficient approach to energy monitoring and managing. Moreover, streamlined management of these installations on the user and installer level is needed.
At Corab, we are in the midst of transformation from a traditional industrial producer towards a tech company. Corab One ecosystem is instrumental in this journey.
The Corab One app streamlines monitoring, issue identification, and remote maintenance of installations. It has been designed in the course of extensive collaboration among experts and business partners, delivering comprehensive infrastructure management and maintenance solutions.
Corab One is one of the most innovative initiatives in the energy sector in Europe. It combines a bold growth vision and deep customer, industry, and technology knowledge within one mobile app.
The Corab One platform was built on the basis of a number of native services available in Google Cloud. In particular, serverless services designed to run mobile applications and analyze large data sets.
Corab One is a complete ecosystem encompassing photovoltaics, heating, and ultimately all home appliances. It enables you to manage all aspects of energy in your home or office. This application is deeply rooted in real consumer and our partners' needs. We embedded years of our experience and comprehensive consumer research to build this amazing app.
The global presence of Google Cloud Platform and the selection of highly scalable services set Corab ready for the global expansion.